All right. Good morning, you beautiful people. Welcome back to another little early morning live stream. We're going to go over what we have set up here on the day, on the night, whichever one. So let's take a gander. What do we got happening today? Today, 15 minutes into the open, we're going to have news, and then 30 minutes into the open, we're going to have news. Right now, kind of watching this, I want to see a continuation for the hourly to come take these bottoms, these two levels. This would be solid. Mark that pink. Kind of wanted to display price label. There we go. I'd love for it to show that price level. So right, that level to the downside we're looking for. Not discounting the fact that it could retrace a little bit into this fair value gap. All right, so we can either reject from here or we can come up a little bit more and then kind of continue selling as we got that little M on the hourly. All right, the bottom of the M was the previous day low, so we could get an outside day. I'm not saying we will, but I'm saying we could. See, I'm liking shorts from over here, but still not sure if it wants to come up and take that liquidity first. I can try. I can certainly give it a go. Given how let's try it out. I mean, if we get stopped, right, we get stopped. It's no biggie. Would love to see that one right there, because that would finish, or that's the middle of the M. The M completes at the bottom of the day. So let's see how that plays out. Right, 4 hours looking a little blunty at the top, but still you could see how that higher time frame could not displace the previous weekly high, right? So if you guys have any questions at any point, please feel free to stop me and tell me, hey, what the hell's going on? Kind of working this midnight level right now. Just trying to see what will happen with it. Gap above, we still have that fair value gap, but yeah, I think it's all up to that previous weekly high, and it's going to be up to this midnight level. So let me get a little 360.50 is going to be that level. 360.50. 360.50 is the midnight. Prices. So we said we like that 19,283.50. 19,283.25. I mean, also gives us the M. So right now, right, that's what we want to be watching. We want to be watching that previous daily high up top. We'll also watch this fair value gap on the hourly. Let's watch this 15-minute fair value gap, right? Nothing says that they can't come up a little bit higher, retrace into this range, and then reject from there. But we're just playing the continuation currently of this move. We have not retraced anything yet, but in terms of how we're just kind of flagging out right here, flag that flagging structure, would love to see that bottom. Right, doesn't have to happen. Just saying, it's either this or it's going to be this, and then we can go from there. see a reaction out of it. Let's keep our watch. A previous hour low, that's also a solid target right there. That 4-hour candle. Is it holding? Oh, it's holding that weekly open, that Sunday open. So Sunday open is also going to be our level, right? Let's write that down too. Our Sunday open is chilling at 19.36. Nope, not 65. 19.31975. New 15-minute candle. And that 19.31975. Want to make sure we displace that level for the downside. If we do not displace and just wake through, we can look for further upside. Once below, we want to see a strong close. Right now, see how that midnight's still holding us down or still holding us up right now. So break below that midnight, we can flush down to these lows, flush down and retest that Sunday open, 19.31975. 19.31975 holds, we continue up. 19.319 breaks, we are likely to sell back down, possibly take out these liquidities and maybe previous day low if that's how they want to play it out today. All right. Other than that, Asian session, London session, how are they interacting? What do we have on our day plan? What looks the most familiar? Probably this, right? Asian session, little range. London session manipulates above, so New York session could see a little retrace back down, but they can also take it every which way they please. We're not putting any certainties on anything. Other than that, it's probably going to do it for today. Thank you guys for tuning into this little morning session live stream. Appreciate you. Appreciate all the support. Guys are the best. Thank you for everything. Check out papertraders.io. That's your go-to website for everything, for previous streams, for anything regarding paper traders stuff, for our Discord, for all of our social medias. So check that out. Appreciate you. We'll see you on the night stream.